thinking skills, which are fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration. We'll focus entirely on originality today, or your ability to generate different ideas that no one else has. So, here at Schoolhouse 7, we developed 3 tips to help you boost originality at home. Number 1, seek new opportunities and the unexpected. Get out there, go, see different places, but be safe. Seek diversity of friendships and ideas and get out of your comfort zone. Whenever my daughter and I travel to a new place, we bring a 6-room poem template. We track notes on the images we see, the categories of light and things that represent light and sound down here in this box, in box 3. Then we write questions about the new place and our feelings towards it. And then we pick a line to repeat because we draft a poem. And then when we get home, we type it up like this one about my daughter's feelings about her friends in her backyard, which I will share tomorrow in Schoolhouse 7. So, tip number 2, create conditions for originality. Schedule open workshop time with lots of art supplies and little rules. But do set a productive goal or focus, and always have your students and children at home carry what's called an idea system, which is a journal and notebook for ideas, which I will also share tomorrow. Lastly, number 3, resist the resistors out there. Ignore social pressure. They said Einstein was crazy. Imagine that. Ignore the norms, be you, find the other creatives, and team up. Take the creative leap beyond. And we can see and practice taking creative leaps beyond with things like line diagrams. Check this out. This was my daughter's friend. He took this line and he created a new friend, a lizard licking his face. And I gave my daughter a circle yesterday. It said, make something original. And this is where it's at because she drew 2 turntables and a microphone from one circle. So those are some cool examples of what you can do at home. I'll share more tomorrow. This was Creativity Day 4. Be creative, keep reading, keep writing, but most importantly, be safe.